Hey guys, today I'll show you how to use Google VO3 for free on your mobile phone. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Google Flow. Open the official Google Flow website, then tap Create with Flow. Next, sign in with your Google account and accept the terms if prompted. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Google Flow dashboard. To use Google VO3, you'll need access to Google AI Pro. If you don't already have it, tap Get Google AI Pro. New eligible users can usually start with a free trial, which gives you access without being charged during the trial period. You'll need to add a valid payment method to activate it. After your subscription is active, you'll receive AI credits that you can use to generate videos. Now, create a new project and open the Settings menu. Select VO3 as your AI model. If you want the highest quality videos, choose VO3 Quality. If you prefer faster generations while using fewer credits, select VO3 Fast instead. Finally, enter your prompt, tap Generate, and wait for your AI video to be created. In just a short time, your video will be ready to preview and download. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.